marketers, if you're looking for strategies to get high quality leads, then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to see some advanced campaign optimization using first party data. Usually in a lead gen business, our main goal is to get quality conversions. Even though we generate hundreds of leads, if the conversions are not happening, then it's money just burned. Hence, the quality is very important. But how do we get quality leads? How will ad algorithm optimize for quality leads? That's when bottom funnel conversion event comes into the picture. Bottom funnel conversion event is nothing but using your quality lead data to optimize your campaign. To put simply, use your customer data from CRM or any other sources and use that as a conversion event in your ad campaigns. Using this data, ad algorithm understands about your customer and optimize towards giving high value conversion. However, doing this manually takes a lot of time, and collecting various platform IDs and unifying them in the cookieless era is quite a task. But with CustomerLabs, you can create and automate this completely. If you want to know how to use your CRM data, create an event and optimize them for your campaigns, you can check out my last video where I have explained how to create an event from your CRM data. I'll ping the video here. Now we shall see a real use case of using bottom funnel conversion event. This is the meta campaigns of one of our lead gen clients. So what we did for this particular client was we consolidate all the qualifying lead stages and used that as a conversion event in the ad campaigns. Now if you could see, BOFU is all the bottom funnel conversions that happened in their business and used that particular event as a conversion event. Before implementing this bottom funnel optimization for this lead gen client, the conversion rate on the campaigns was 8%. But after implementing this strategy, the conversion rate for this client was 20%. It raised from 8 to 20%. So this is how you can optimize your campaigns for high value customer. If you want to know more about first party data strategies, join your community. The link is in the description. If you want to implement such strategies for your business, start your 14 days free trial, or if you want to know more about it, just book a one-on-one demo with us.